Hello and good morning. It's nice to see you. Thanks for coming to learn about a Solenco 204 air purifier. That's what we've got today, and I'm going to take it out of the box. I'm not familiar with air purifiers, so we're going to learn together. Right, first we have a note. So a little fun fact, these air purifiers from Solenco are named after rhinos because it's part of the Community Rhino Conservation Initiative. Save the rhinos, I guess. Other than that, got some packaging. Let me do this. There we go. Ta-da! Right, we have the Solenco 204, a white cylinder with a cable. That's pretty much it. Firstly, before you're gonna get pure air, you gotta put in the filter. There's more filters inside. Get a load of that. So that's where all the dirty air goes in, and then clean air comes out. So it's pretty straightforward, actually. Let's plug this thing in and see what it can do. Okay, you plug it in and it starts immediately, which is nice. I can definitely feel the air being sucked in through the bottom, filtered through the 5-stage filtration process, and being expelled from the top. Let's see what this thing can do. So I don't know if you can hear, but it is quite loud. You can hear that, but it does also have a sleep mode, which is nice and quiet. So you saw the bottom air filter already. That's the one that you can replace. Solenco reckons that they are rated for 4,320 hours. That equates to roughly 6 months of filtration time, which is quite a lot. That blue replaceable filter actually houses 4 of the 5 filtration methods. It includes the pre-filter, the medical grade H13 HEPA filter for removing very small particles, an activated carbon filter, and an antiviral filter to capture dust, pollen, smoke, and odors. Then inside, the UV light further destroys harmful microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and mold spores. And if you think about it, you're getting more air per air, because there are now less pollutants. So that's just simple maths. This is compatible with the Smart Home app. So all you need to do is get the Smart Home app open. You might have it installed already for a different device. Add pairing mode. And it should be pretty straightforward from there. Now you don't strictly need the app because all of the functions can be controlled from the top. Such as child lock, timer, sleep mode. The app does give you the added benefit of the all-important air quality index reading. So, as you can see here, we are currently sitting at a PM 2.5 of 3, which the app says is good. However, it does also say hazardous, so it's probably a good idea we've got this thing on. Get some of that. And that's pretty much it. We've got the Solenco 204 air purifier with the app or not. Installed it in a room. This one can do a room up to 30 square meters. If you have a bigger room than that, then you'll probably want to go for the bigger one. This is the 803. It is also named after a rhino, so you're saving the rhinos, you're cleaning the air, and it's just, life's good. Clean air equals good life. I'm gonna go and huff some air now, some clean air, thanks to Solenco.